Hello students, myself Nidhi Shaparya from JMP English Medium, Saraswati Group of Education. Today I am conducting this session for subject Math, Grade 5. Now, this is our first session for Chapter 1, that is Large Numbers. So we know that numbers are very important in our day-to-day life. We use numbers in our mobile phones, calculators, laptops, computers. Even our house address has numbers in the form of pin code, street number, block number. We also see numbers on the key panels of microwave, washing machine and so many other devices. We also see numbers on the clock faces and watch dials. So we are greatly dependent on numbers in our daily lives.
So, students, let us go through this PPT of first chapter Large Numbers, which consists of the important terms of this chapter.
Now, what is a numeral? A numeral is a symbol or figure that stands for a number. A numeral is how we write a number. Now, when I say 7 apples or clapping 7 times, then how do we show that number? So, we show that number with the help of this numeral 7. So, a numeral is how we write a number. Examples are 725 and 705. These all are numerals.
And these examples, these letter symbols are the Roman numerals.
Now, what is a digit? A digit is a single symbol used to make numerals. So digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. All these are used in everyday numerals. So the numeral 274 is made up of 3 digits, digit 2, 7 and 4. Then the numeral 69 is made up of 2 digits, 6 and 9. And the numeral 3 is made up of 1 digit, that is 3. So over here, this is a 3-digit numeral 172 made up of digits 1, 7 and 2. Now, place value. Place value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit due to its position in the number. We get the place value of a digit by multiplying the digit with the value of its place in the number. So, the place value of any digit in a number is always dependent on the position of the digit in the number. Now, how do we get the place value of digit 3 in this number 327? So, we get the place value by multiplying the digit with the value of its place in the number. So, the digit is 3 and the value of its place in the number is 100 because 3 is at hundreds place. So 3 multiplied by 100 is equals to 300. So place value of digit 3 in this number is 300. Now in this number 237, the digit 3 is at tens place. So the place value of digit 3 is equals to, again we have to multiply the digit, that is 3, with the value of the place of the digit 3 in the number. So value of its place is 10. So 3 multiplied by 10 is equals to 30, which is the place value of digit 3 in the number 237. Now face value. The face value of a digit in a number is the same digit itself. So, the face value of any digit in the number does not depend upon the position of the digit in the number. So, in this number 389, digit 3 is at hundreds place. but the face value of digit 3 is the digit itself, that is 3. And in this example, the number is 839. The digit 3 is at tens place. But still the face value of digit 3 is equals to the digit itself, that is 3. Now, what is an expanded form of a number and standard form of a number? So, to expand means to write it in detail. So, over here in the expanded form, we break up a number and expand it to show the place value of each digit. Now, how do we do that? So, a number when written as the sum of the place values of all its digits is said to be in its expanded form. So, over here we have the number 675. Now, the expanded form of this number is the sum of the place values of each of the digit, that is digit 5, 7 and 6. So, starting from the highest place, the place value of digit 6 is 6 multiplied by 100, so 600. Add place value of digit 7, which is 7 multiplied by 10, so 70. Add the place value of digit 5, which is 5 multiplied by 1, so 600 add 70 add 5. This is the expanded form of this number. Now, the standard form or the compact form of a number is obtained by adding the place value of each digit. So, the result of this addition operation, right, that is this number itself, right, this 3-digit number, this is the standard form. Now, what do we mean by comparison of numbers? So, to compare means to decide if a given number is greater than, smaller than or equal to another given number. So, we compare two numbers by using less than, greater than or equal to sign. Now, over here the two numbers given are 598 and 589. So, along this number line, we see that the number 598 comes after the number 589. So, 598 is greater than 589. Now, over here we have the numbers 702 and 709. So, along the number line, the number 709 comes after the number 702. So, the number 702 is less than the number 709. Now, whenever we compare numbers, we do not need to plot the numbers along the number line like this. Plot means over here how we have marked the numbers. We don't need to draw the number line and mark the numbers and see that which number comes after the other. What we have to do, we have to start from the highest place and we have to keep on comparing the digits till we reach the digit where the digits are different. So over here we start from the hundreds place and both the numbers have digit 5 at hundreds place. Then we move to the tens place. So since 9 is greater than 8, that is why this number 598 is greater than the number 589. Similarly, over here we start comparing digit by digit from the highest place. So at hundreds place we have digit 7. Then we move to the next place, that is tens place. Now at tens place also we have 0 in both the numbers. So we again move to the next digit. So in ones place we have 2 over here and over here we have 9. And since 2 is less than 9, so the number 702 is less than the number 709. Now, what do we mean by ascending order and descending order? So, arranging the numbers in ascending order means to arrange them from the smallest to the greatest values. So over here we have 4 numbers, and for better understanding over here, these numbers are plotted or marked along the number line. So over here, this number 247 is having the least value out of all these 4 numbers. So in our ascending order, this will be our first number. Now, next number along this number line out of these 4 numbers is 396, which is greater than this number 247, but it is less than the remaining 2 numbers. So this is our second number in the ascending order. Then next number is 483, which is greater than 396 but less than the remaining number. And the last number in the ascending order is the number which has the greatest value from among all these 4 numbers. So this is the ascending order of the 4 numbers, the order in which the values of the numbers are increasing. Now, arranging numbers in descending order means to arrange them from the greatest to the smallest value. So over here we have the same set of 4 numbers and we have arranged them in the descending order, with the first number being the number which is having greatest value, right? And then the values go on decreasing, and this is the number with the least value. So along the number line, when we are arranging numbers in descending order, we are moving from right to left. First comes the number 540, then it is greater than the number 483, which is greater than the number 396, which is greater than the number with the least value, that is 247. And this is the descending order of the 4 numbers, that is the numbers are decreasing in their values. Next, rounding of numbers. So what do we mean by rounding of numbers? Now, sometimes for our convenience means for making our work easier, we do not use exact numbers. Instead, we use numbers that are easy to work with and close enough to the exact numbers. This method is known as rounding of numbers. For example, it's your birthday and you are hosting a dinner party at your house. You are expecting 28 guests. So, for making all the food arrangements, your mama will consider the total guest count to be about 30. See, over here the number 30 is near to the exact count, that is 28. The number 30 means 3 tens, and this number is easier to work with rather than this number. So this will make her preparation work simpler, easier. So over here the number 39 is rounded off to 40, and over here the number 497 is rounded off to number 500. If we just add 3 to this number, we get the number 500. So 500 is very much near to the actual number. It is easier to work with 500 rather than 497. So these numbers are easier to deal with when making calculations as compared to these numbers.
Now, Indian and international place value systems. So far, we have been dealing with the Indian place value system. It is also known as the Hindu-Arabic place value system, whereas the place value system used worldwide is known as the international place value system. So over here we have the Indian place value chart, and This consists of the places ones, tens and hundreds belonging to the ones category known as the ones period. Then we have thousands and 10,000s places belonging to the thousands period. Then we have lakhs and 10 lakhs. These two places belonging to the lakhs period. Then we have the places crores and 10 crores belonging to the crores period. Now this is the Indian place value systems chart. This is the chart for the international place value system. So over here also we have the first three places of ones, tens and hundreds belonging to the ones period. Now over here in the thousands period we have three places of thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. So this place is not present in the Indian place value systems chart. Then this millions period is not present in the Indian place value chart. Instead we have the lakhs period and crores period. We do not have the millions period. So this consists of the places millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. And these are the letter symbols to denote the places.
Now, Roman numerals. So, we have used the numerals, that is the symbols, the single digit numerals 0 to 9 or the digits 0 to 9 for writing all the numbers learned so far, and these are called Hindu-Arabic numerals. Now, hundreds of years ago, the Roman people had a system of numbers which had only 7 symbols. Each symbol had a different value and there was no symbol for 0. So the symbols for Roman numerals, the letter symbols I, V, X and so on. And the value for I is 1. The value for this Roman symbol V is 5. Value for symbol X is 10. And for letter symbol L is 50. And so on. Now, these Roman numerals do not use the concept of place value, that is ones, tens, hundreds and so on. Now, see over here, you must have seen clocks and watches having, instead of the numbers with digits, you must have seen these Roman numerals on the watch dial and the clock face. So over here at the place of number 1 we have the letter I, and over here at the place of number 10 we have X. So all the Roman numerals are formed using these 7 basic symbols only.
So with this we come to the end of the PPT. Now students, the speed of light in vacuum means space where there is no air. So the speed of light in vacuum is 2,99,792 kilometers per second. So light travels these many kilometers in 1 second. Now represent this value on the place value chart. Then write the place value of each digit. So we have shown this number in the place value chart over here. We have the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place and lakhs place. And the number is 2 lakh. So in lakhs place we have 2, then 99,000. So this two places show the thousands period. So 99. Then 792. So in hundreds place 7, then 92 kilometers per second. Now the place value of each digit starting from ones place. So 2 is at 1's place, so 2 multiplied by value of its place, that is 1. So the place value of digit 2 is 2. Then the place value of digit 9, which is at 10's place, is equals to 9 multiplied by value of its place, so 10. So the place value of digit 9 at 10's place is 90. Then we have 7 hundreds. So the place value of digit 7 is 7 multiplied by 100, which is 700. Then the digit 9 at thousands place, its place value is 9 times 1000. So 9000. Then the place value of digit 9 at 10,000's place is equals to 9 multiplied by 10,000. So that is equals to 90,000. Then the place value of digit 2, which is at lakhs place, is equals to 2 multiplied by 1 lakh. 1 lakh means 1 followed by 5 zeros. So the place value of digit 2 is equal to 2 lakh.
So, as we have gone through the important terms of this chapter, and you must have also recalled the concepts that you have learned in your previous grade. So, along with this video, you will be sent a worksheet in the form of PDF. You have to solve the questions in your notebook. So, we will meet in the next session. Till then, keep safe.